Hello, my little friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint and sprinkle 5 beautiful letters. Are you ready? Let's go.
Mmm.
Look, it's the letter A. The letter A say A. A is for apple. Can you say it? Apple. Wow, great job. Let's paint the apple with crunchy red color. See, our crunchy apple looks so beautiful and so smooth.
Mmm.
It's time for glitter magic. Wow, look at our red apple shine. Next is the letter B.
Mmm.
The letter B say ba. Can you say ba? It's a ball. Can you say with me? Ball. Let's paint our round ball.
Mmm. Mmm.
Get ready for the sprinkle magic. 1, 2, 3. Our ball looks so magical. Look who is here. It's the letter C. The letter C says ka. Can you say with me? Ka. C is for cat. Meow. Can you make a cat sound with me? Meow. Wonderful. Look, this cute little cat, so beautiful in bright orange color. It's so cute. It's time to sprinkle golden glitter on our cutie kitty. Wow, it's a shiny glowing kitty cat. What comes next? It's the letter D. The letter D says da 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 da. Can you say with me? Da da da. D is for dog. Woo! Say it with me. Dog. Let's give our friendly puppy a lovely chocolate brown color. Paint the puppy is so much funny. Let's add the magic touch. Wow, look at our puppy. It's amazing. And our last letter is E. The letter E says E, 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 E. Can you say it with me? E, E, E. E is a elephant, the big happy elephant. Let's paint the elephant with a sweet color sky blue. Beautiful blue paint all over the big ear and long trunk. And the final magic, let's pour the shiny pink glitter. Wow, look at our elephant glow. See you next time for the letter F. Bye bye.